Assalamu alaikum guys. Guys, how are you guys? I hope you are very well. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, complete my videos, watch, like and subscribe the bell icon. So guys, looking for unique handmade gift ideas. In this video, I will show you how to crochet thoughtful and easy gifts that are perfect for any occasion. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, this project are quick, fun and personal. I will guide you through step-by-step tutorial to create beautiful crochet items like cozy, scarves, stylish beanies, cuties, stuffed animals and more. These DIY crochet gifts are perfect for birthdays, holidays, baby shower or just because. What you will learn: basic crochet stitches and techniques, how to crochet gifts in under an hour, tips on choosing the right yarn and color. Grab your hook, yarn and let's get started on crafting heartfelt gifts that your loved ones will cherish forever. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet tutorials. Crochet handmade gift, crochet tutorial, DIY crochet gift, easy crochet and handmade. So guys, watch my complete videos looking for unique handmade gift ideas. In this video I will show you how to crochet thoughtful and easy gifts.